Hi, Phil here with a couple of popular upgrades for the 2018 Ford Mustang. Now this car's been refreshed from front to rear, but our fourth brake light and sequencer modules will help you separate your car from the crowd. Installation will take you about 15 to 25 minutes, and let's go ahead and get started. To get started, we'll need to get the trunk liner covering your spare out of the way. Go ahead and lift it up and pull it out and set it aside. Then we'll need to remove the 4 nuts that hold the trim panel on. Simply unscrew these guys and set these aside as well. Now that you have the 4 nuts removed, simply go ahead and pull out on one of the corners to loosen the trim panel, and then do the other, and then it should come loose and free and pull straight up and out. Now that you have the trim panel out of the way, we'll need to remove this plastic rivet in order to pull back the trunk liner. Go ahead and use either a trim removal tool or something similar to get under it and simply wedge that guy out. Now you'll have access to the connectors themselves. Now that you have your trunk liner pulled back, you'll have access to the main connector that we need. Simply go ahead and depress the spring clip and pull that guy out to get started. Now as I stated, we're going to be doing both the fourth brake and the sequencer, so we'll need to start with our fourth brake module to the signal wire side of this connector. Go ahead and plug this guy in so it snaps. Then connect your sequencer and then plug into the taillight harness. Now if you've only decided to go with one of these 2 modules, you'll simply replace whatever connection is appropriate. Once you're done here, you'll feed your wiring to the other side of the car, make your connections to complete this portion of your installation. Now that we have all of our modules connected and where they need to be, we're going to need to run the red wire out to the brake bulb itself. You'll simply want to run this directly through the grommet so you have access to it from the underside of the car. Now that you have your red wire run through your grommet, we're going to need to access and remove the stock bulb. Simply reach behind and rotate counterclockwise towards the passenger side of the vehicle and then pull straight back. We'll need to remove the holder from the connector. Go ahead and depress the spring clip and slide that all the way out. Now you'll need to remove the grommet that's in the middle connector here by taking your flathead screwdriver that was supplied and sliding it straight through and popping it out. You'll now take your red wire and match it up to run through this socket itself. Take care not to break the connector, and you can use your flathead screwdriver to push this the rest of the way down without adding extra pressure. Once it's locked into place, you'll be able to see it in the connector itself. You can return your bulb and then swap your stock bulb for your switchback red and white Diode Dynamics LED. You want to tuck your wiring up and then replace the bulb into the housing. Now that you've secured your wiring and buttoned everything up, you'll have a couple new features to make your car unique. For more information on these products, visit us at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.